Confluence is built for team collaboration, but there are a few things you need to know to make that magic happen. I'm Sammy, a marketplace partner with Glyphy by Perforce. I'm planning a webinar with some of my teammates, and we're coordinating our work in Confluence. I used one of the built-in templates to get this page started, and you can see we've got everything from our brainstorm to our meeting notes to our project roadmap, all stashed in one place. We've got a pretty good plan worked out, but now, as they say, we need to work the plan. As you can see, I'm tagged as the driver for this project. Let's add my teammate as a contributor too. I'm going to jump in and edit the page, and then all I need to do is type the @ symbol and my teammates' names will pop up. I can start typing a name to find the correct person and then click select. This means that Ryan will get notifications about updates to this page. Tagging people is a great way to ensure that you can keep everyone looped in on your project. Another important collaboration feature is tasks. To add a task while editing your page, you can click this action item button in the toolbar, or you can type the left and right brackets to make a box shape. This will automatically update to a task. Here you can write a general to-do that users on the page can check off, or you can assign it to someone specific. To assign someone to a task, use the @ symbol and that same tagging functionality I just explained to tag yourself or your teammates. This is great because it shows up in the tasks section of your Confluence profile once you've been tagged. Now let's publish these edits and review some of the content here. I can add a comment at the bottom of this page about the content generally, or tag a user and ask them to review the page. But let's say I'm reviewing our problem statement specifically, and I have a thought I want to share. That's no problem at all. While the page is in viewing mode, I can highlight the text and leave a comment about something specific. By tagging your teammates, assigning clear tasks, and using comments to share your thoughts and feedback, you can easily asynchronously get the buy-in you need to move your project forward without scheduling another meeting. One more tip to take collaboration in Confluence to the next level. Be sure to visualize your data or ideas. The Atlassian team has seen that pages get more engagement and are used more effectively when they have visuals. You can add an image using the toolbar in the editor or typing the / and file command while in edit mode. And with additional macros like my team's app, Glyphy Diagrams for Confluence, you can create mind maps, flowcharts, architecture diagrams, and more without ever leaving Confluence. Here you can see where my team made a mind map to brainstorm our webinar topic, but it's also a great idea to make sure you have visuals to describe complex processes or IT infrastructure with an easy to understand diagram. Confluence is such a powerful tool for teams of all types and all sizes. I hope these tips will help your team work more effectively and collaborate in Confluence more easily than ever.